इवन मैं भी आपसे सीखना चाहता हूँ कि कैसे आपकी जर्नी रही, क्या क्या इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स थे, क्या क्या चैलेंजेस थे।
एंड आई गेस अगर आप मेजर एक चार्ट ड्रॉ कर लेते हो, वट एवर यू वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड, लाइक एक सब्जेक्ट का प्रॉपर एक फ्लो चार्ट बना लो कि हाँ इसमें इतने डिविजन है, यू स्टडी लाइक ओके इसमें ये होता है, इसमें ये होता है। फील्ड में आपका कोर का नॉलेज हो गया। फॉर मी फॉर एग्जांपल आई हैव बीटेक इन बायोटेक्नोलॉजी एंड आई हैव डन एमबीए।
So we how's your parents, like, are they proud of you?
Yeah, my father, like, they are very very happy, and my mama, like,
Mama.
he is very close to me. On LinkedIn I applied and it was posted over there in the brackets, PhDs are not applicable for this position.
Hi everyone, this is Arav Gupta from Galgotias University and I'm really excited to announce that Shivanshi ने 9 LPA cross करा है. Hi Shivanshi, how's it going on?
Hi Arav, yeah, it's going good. How about you?
फाइन यार, मतलब आप गुड़गांव से ट्रैवल करके आए थे कल, तो आई एम लाइक रियली एक्साइटेड कि आपको प्रॉपर होस्ट कर सारी बातें करनी है कि कैसे आपकी गलगोटियाज में जर्नी रही।
Yeah, likewise, even I was excited about this.
जब आपने पहली बार सुना था अबाउट पॉडकास्ट, क्या चीज़ आई थी आपके दिमाग में?
Yeah, it was a very new experience, I'd say. Yeah, like I've been in an interview setting, had a few words with my friends and then, but like not in a typical podcast setting. That yeah, so I was a bit conscious, yeah, but yeah, I love to explore.
I often get excited whenever I host MBA grads क्योंकि ना मतलब मैं हमेशा बीटेक स्टूडेंट्स को टेक केयर करता हूँ सारी, एंड दे आर लिटिल बिट ऑफ चाइल्डिश, उनकी जर्नीज थोड़ी सी वैसे रहती है 11th-12th में कर ना, बट MBA ग्रेजुएट से थोड़ी मैच्योरिटी दिखती है, सेंस ऑफ चीज़ें दिखती है, अच्छा इंटरव्यू में ऐसे बैठना है, ये करना है। तो इवन मैं भी आपसे सीखना चाहता हूँ कि कैसे आपकी जर्नी रही, क्या क्या इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स थे, क्या क्या चैलेंजेस थे। लेट्स स्टार्टेड कि आपकी ग्रेजुएशन कहाँ से हुई थी?
See, as you mentioned BTech, I have done BTech in my graduation. So yeah, I understand that. I have done my BTech from Bennett University and I've been there for Greater Noida for almost 5 years now.
Nice.
Yeah, I just love Delhi NCR.
Nice.
And that was a great experience there. Whatever
You were born and brought up from?
Bandha, Uttar Pradesh. I'm born and brought up in Bandha, Uttar Pradesh. It's near Chitrakoot in UP only. And yeah, I'm a typical UP girl, and it's a very big achievement for me and my family. And I really believe that see, it's just the beginning where we can go. And I've done BTech in biotechnology.
बायोटेक्नोलॉजी,
coming from
यार बताओ, बहुत टाइम से बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स मेरे बन रहे हैं बायोटेक्नोलॉजी के।
हाँ जी।
तो वुड लाइक टू नो मोर कि वो क्या होता है उसमें।
Yeah, see, in biotech it's a wide stream, and if you are into research, like core research and wanted to be a scientist in future, then it is a very like a new stream and growing. And this industry is in the boom right now. After COVID hit, it was the industry which took the boom, and that was the sole reason I took admission in BTech in biotechnology. Earlier I was in quota for like the NEET prep and all.
Nice.
So yeah, that was some of the we'll discuss that. So for coming to BTech in biotechnology, like there are different domains. There is cancer biology, protein engineering, there is genetics, there is like lot of things, microbiome is there, plant engineering, tissue engineering, like a vast substream. So it depends on you. Like you start in see BTech में ना, तो they cover everything. So you get to understand the subjects. It's a bit technical, I would say. Don't delve into it just because it sounds fancy. It's very complicated because like I know, see, medicine is some other thing, but developing the medication, you need to understand the physiology plus how it works on your body and how your body will react to it. So there is phytochemical engineering and there is pharmaceutics. So very good.
मोटा there are two segments, BTech in medical segment and engineering वाला BTech. तो ये दोनों बहुत ही अलग अलग है।
लोग बच्चे like they want to pursue MBBS, but they should consider BTech in biotechnology as a plan B. And I really loved exploring BTech in biotechnology, and I got very good opportunities from one of the renowned IITs. I have worked in IIT Delhi for 2 times. I did my dissertation there and had an offer from IIT Bombay and was able to get an internship in AIMS Delhi as well. But yeah, like there was a time and I had very good options, but I loved working at IIT Delhi and I had a great experience there. Then I started working after BTech. I was working at RCB Faridabad as a research associate only.
Nice.
Yeah, for a few months. Then yeah.
Why you opted for MBA?
Yeah, that's a very good question. Everybody asks me that. see what happens is like even in my BTech I had that okay I want to explore, like looking at my personality, even my professors and the seniors and everyone used to like push me, you should do MBA, you should do MBA, but I was so much into research that I didn't want it to explore. However, I used to love the management and stuff. I was like, I won the president election in my department and all, was coordinator in the clubs. So yeah, I used to love the management part. So I thought okay, let's give it a try, and I wanted to do that, and I feel ki you should explore, and that's how I ended up here. And I chose Galgotias because of the their reputation, obviously. Plus, their ranking is very good. Plus, the placements was the attraction point for me.
Your first day at Galgotias.
My first day, okay, I was very confused, and you won't believe the day I entered Galgotias, and like the classroom environment was quite different, coming from a core engineering biology background and switching to commerce. That was a major hitback for me, major setback I'd say. I didn't know accounts, I didn't know finance, I didn't know like economics. मतलब accounts में you won't believe from where I've started. LEDGER is leisure. That's from where I started day one.
Nice.
Because I never heard about his journal entry, leisure, trial balance sheet and all. I learned it here. Faculties are very cooperative. And yeah, they have very helped the students because in MBA people come from various different, there is diversity. different backgrounds के बच्चे हैं. तो I really believe कि यहाँ पे इस चीज़ को बहुत support किया है. Because the students who are not from commerce background, they have supported them and helped them personally.
Shivanshi, compare a student doing graduation in BBA and then going for MBA and you. Either you या फिर any student doing BTech or BTech engineering and going to pursue MBA. क्या differences? I believe that BBA वाले को ज़्यादा exposure, leverage मिलेगा, concepts clear रहेंगे, fundamentals clear रहेंगे.
देखो अब मैं तो कमेंट नहीं करना चाहूंगी, बट आई बिलीव जिसने इंजीनियरिंग कर ली ना वो सब कर लेता है.
बट इंजीनियरिंग कर ली वो सब कर लेता है
या सी इंजीनियर्स बीटेक करने के बाद डिसाइड करते हैं ओके अब हमको ये करना है. दैट इज अ फन फैक्ट. एंड आई बिलीव ऐसा नहीं है, सी जो कोर के बंदे हैं दे हैव स्टडीड इट फॉर 7 years. लाइक फॉर मी इफ आई हैव स्टडीड 11th 12th my BTech in a drop, I'd say I've invested 6 to 7 years in science. So it was हार्ड फॉर मी इन द वेरी बिगिनिंग, बट यार हो जाता है यार. अगर आप करना चाहो तो इतना कोई टफ नहीं है. आई स्टार्टेड लविंग द सब्जेक्ट्स, थियोरी एंड ऑल, बिकॉज अब यू आर कमिंग टू एग्जाम्स. अब कॉमर्स में ना थोड़ा थ्योरेटिकल पार्ट ज़्यादा होता है एंड आई बिलोंग फ्रॉम द मोर टेक्निकल पार्ट एंड एनालिटिकल पार्ट. सो आई टुक टाइम इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग द कॉन्सेप्ट्स एंड कैसे अपना माइंडसेट, आंसर राइटिंग कैसी होनी चाहिए. थोड़ा अगर आप समझ लेते हो ना तो आई गेस इतना कोई इशू नहीं है. एंड फॉर BBA यूआर्स आई गेस उनके लिए चीज़ें थोड़ी ईजी हो जाती है बिकॉज दे हैव स्टडीड दो सब्जेक्ट्स, दे हैव अ बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग. उनको पता होता है उनको स्पेशलाइजेशन क्या लेनी है. मैं उसमें ही फिगर आउट कर रही थी काफ़ी टाइम तक कि क्या लूँ. आई टुक मेजर इन मार्केटिंग एंड माइनर इन बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स ऑब्वियसली. मेजर मार्केटिंग बिकॉज I love marketing. Yeah, see, people see it as a taboo, like sales, but see, sales and marketing go hand in hand. You cannot avoid sales if you want to go in marketing. अगर sales नहीं होगी तो कोई भी business नहीं चलेगा. Even if you are selling a product or a service, any industry, there is requirement. People want good students working there, like good professionals. And if you are good enough and you have to start from the scratch. अगर आप बेसिक ही नहीं सीखोगे तो आप उस डेजिग्नेशन पे नहीं बैठ सकते. तो आई फील देयर इज नथिंग बैड. एंड बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स बिकॉज देयर वाज पलक गुप्ता मैम जिन्होंने इतना अच्छा पढ़ाया था कि हमारे शी इज अ वेरी गुड फैकल्टी है इन गलगोटियाज यूनिवर्सिटी. एंड आफ्टर लाइक her taking her classes, I thought ki most of the batch she taught has opted for business analytics.
गलगोटियाज में MBA के टीचर्स कैसे हैं?
Pretty good. They are good enough.
पलक मैम में ऐसा क्या है अलग?
यार वो मतलब बहुत हर बच्चे में फोकस करती हैं. लाइक इफ आई एम देयर, चलो मुझे तो थोड़ा बहुत हैंड्स ऑन एक्सेल वगैरह आता था, बट देयर आर स्टूडेंट्स जिनको नहीं आता है. उन्होंने उनको एवरेज भी सिखाया है कि एवरेज कैसे निकालते हैं. So
That mean median.
yeah, everything. This is how you calculate mean, median, and she used to repeat in that topic of mean, median, mode in every other class because सब बच्चों को आना चाहिए.
That's a basic thing.
Yeah,
हाँ,
and
right.
people doesn't do that. Like I'll talk about Swarnika ma'am. She is a very good professor, but वो थोड़ा मेरा personal bonding उनसे ज़्यादा रहा है.
Nice.
Yeah.
Faculties जिनके साथ पर्सनल बॉन्डिंग हो जाती है बहुत अच्छे से हम कम्युनिकेट कर पाते हैं, समझ पाते हैं ना.
वो उन्होंने काफ़ी मतलब गाइड करा है सिंस द वेरी बिगिनिंग. फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर के बाद उन्होंने शी स्टार्टेड टीचिंग द सस्टेनेबिलिटी एंड ऑल, बट इन पर्सन शी गाइडेड मी ओवरऑल, आई से.
नाइस है, नाइस. ठीक है, फर्स्ट डे कैसा दिखता है आपको? जब मतलब पहले पहले आए थे, यू वर कंफ्यूज्ड, देन यू चोज मार्केटिंग, फिर धीरे धीरे चीज़ें हुई. हाउ अबाउट आफ्टर फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर, योर फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर के एग्जाम्स वगैरह?
As I told you, फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर के एग्जाम्स तो मिड सेम में.
सीजीपीए तो बहुत गंदा है वो.
No.
अच्छा है था.
अच्छा.
नाइस.
See, I manage studies somehow. I believe वो होता नहीं बीटेक के पहले रात के एक दिन पहले पढ़ने बैठे, अगले दिन पेपर दिया, बात खत्म. वो like that is what बीटेक taught me. I would say कि यार वो पता है nothing goes waste. I worked hard in my graduation and I believe ठीक है stream change हुई but कहीं ना कहीं it helps. Even मेरा जो इवन कॉमर्स में मेरा जो CGPA लाइक आई एम स्कोरिंग प्रिटी गुड, आई एम एकेडमिक स्कॉलरशिप होल्डर ऑल्सो, एंड आई फील कि ठीक है हो जाता है यार. अगर आपको एक बार हैबिट बन जाती है ना चीज़ें समझ के लिखने की तो फिर आप लिख लेते हो. मैं कभी रट्टा नहीं मार सकती. आई कैन नॉट मग अप थिंग्स. आई जस्ट रीड एंड राइट इट ऑन माई ओन वर्ड्स. राइट फॉर आंसर राइटिंग आई सजेस्ट कि थोड़ा ग्राफ्स एंड चार्ट्स यूज़ करके थोड़ा अंडरलाइन करो तो दे गिव प्रिटी गुड मार्क्स. थोड़ा सा मतलब पॉइंटर्स में बुलेट पॉइंट्स करो तो स्कोरिंग इज फाइन आएगी. थोड़ा सा अप्रोच देखना पड़ता है. एंड फॉर आफ्टर फर्स्ट ईयर आई थॉट इट वाज इन माय माइंड कि यार मुझे फर्स्ट ईयर के बाद निकलना है यहाँ से एंड आई वांट समथिंग. So उसके बाद I started applying on internships and all.
You want to do something practically, internship.
Yeah. So but मुझे फिर college से I got into KPMG. So I'm currently working there only.
Okay.
In the marketing team as a management trainer.
And जिस कंपनी में आपकी जॉब लगी है वो कौन सी कंपनी है?
Reliance Jio BP.
Okay, yeah, got it. फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर के एग्जाम्स के लिए कैसे पढ़ा? थोड़ी गाइडेंस अगर आप दे सको. Strategies you used.
See, I understand the concepts. Like talking about economics, थोड़ा सा macroeconomics थोड़ा टाइम लगा था. But फिर when I started studying, no, I understood. Okay, there are some basic major concepts I understood. And I guess अगर आप मेजर एक चार्ट ड्रॉ कर लेते हो, वट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड, एक सब्जेक्ट का प्रॉपर एक फ्लो चार्ट बना लो कि हाँ इसमें इतने डिविजन्स हैं. यू स्टडी लाइक ओके इसमें ये होता है, इसमें ये होता है, एंड इसमें इतने सब पार्ट्स हैं, एंड यू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड कि अगर ये ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हाउ द थिंग विल इम्पैक्ट ऑन द इंडस्ट्री. पीपल स्टडी कि हाँ ओके दिस इज द कॉन्सेप्ट, ये होता है. नो, वॉट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इज पेपर विल बी बेस्ड ऑन द इंडस्ट्रियल एप्लीकेशन. You have to understand the industrial application. If you are understanding that, then you are going to answer the questions even in your interview. But like once you start sitting in the interviews, they'll ask questions from marketing basics. Okay, you have studied 4 P's. Tell me how you will implement in this this product. So 4 P's of marketing तो पढ़े हैं तुमने, people, price, place, promotion. अब बताओ कि मैं तुम्हें कह रही हूँ कि okay for my company like Reliance Jio BP. Okay, how will implement how it is related to it, the 4 P's and कैसे क्या एक्सप्लेन करो. अगर आपको कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं पता, you cannot like explain it to the other person कि इसका इंडस्ट्रियल एप्लीकेशन कहाँ है and where are the industrial gaps.
Getting you यार. ठीक है. जो कलगोटिया से आपने इंटर्नशिप ली थी KPMG में, कैसे ली थी, क्या प्रोसेस था? कॉलेज में ही आई थी वो?
Yeah. Like I would always be thankful for the opportunities this university has provided to me.
क्यों?
Because see क्या होता है ना, there are colleges कि वो आपको सिखाते बहुत है, but in the end for my sector see the harsh reality is कि अभी उतना मतलब opportunities उतनी नहीं है. ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं है, but I feel कि थोड़ा सा colleges में companies का आना, providing the placement in typical R&D sector at very good packages is not abhi itna, it's not that good abhi. The current scenario, that's what I have experienced maybe. सबका एक्सपीरियंस अलग होता है, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि थोड़ा सा कंपनीज मतलब R&D में बच्चे की बहुत मेहनत करते हैं यार. They spend hours and hours in labs and design those experiments and then plan their daily routine according to those experiments. But they ended up getting hired at 15-20K per month. 25K, that's the harsh reality for students. Like I won't say कि यार this is not basics. You haven't seen the syllabus. You haven't seen them what they are working on. For a basic experiment जितने chemicals होते हैं ना उसमें यूज हुए सबका आपको एप्लीकेशन वो कैसे बने हैं, हाउ दे आर इम्पैक्टिंग, कितना डालना चाहिए, कितने माइक्रोग्राम्स, कितनी माइक्रोलीटर, और एक भी माइक्रोलीटर ज्यादा वो उस पर क्या क्या इफेक्ट आएगा उस रिएक्शन पे. यू शुड नो एवरीथिंग. सो आई बिलीव कि थोड़ा सा अब दे आस्क फॉर मास्टर्स एंड देन PhD कर लो, तो मे बी शायद आई लैग्ड देयर. I lagged there, I would say. Then I had a clear mindset कि यार मुझे तो MBA करना है. मैं 4th year में क्लियर हो चुकी थी कि यार I'll do MBA. थोड़ा सा मुझे लगा कि चलो एक बार और ट्राई देते हैं, तो आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग इन द इंडस्ट्री ऑल्सो कि इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सपोजर ले लेती हूँ. मुझे डाबर में भी रिसर्च साइंटिस्ट के लिए आई गेव इंटरव्यू एंड इट वेंट वेल एंड एवरीथिंग वाज गुड. बट अगेन दैट HOD told me I came here for the admission and that day I got a call from Dabur. Okay, you come for the interview. You have been shortlisted and all. On LinkedIn, I applied and it was posted over there कि in the brackets PhDs are not applicable for this position. You are overqualified basically, right? I applied. एक BTech है मेरा, तो BTech MTech they were considering that. Okay, fine. I applied for that position. Apply किया, कोई थोड़ा सा follow ups लिए मैंने, तो I got that. फिर I went for the interview, it went well, 2 rounds रहे and it was proper technical rounds and all. Okay, ठीक है. The HOD called me and what she told me personally, beta, you have a very good knowledge of your field, but I will suggest you that you pursue a PhD because there are over 500 applications for this job and more than 70% of the candidates who have applied are PhDs. So people are overqualified in our country and they are looking for jobs. And that really disheartened me.
Yeah, matlab basically you have that knowledge now what they want exactly, why they are looking for a PhD, Shivanshi, है ना?
See, that's the reality of that industry. I told you. उनको यार देखो, रिसर्चर को उनको चाहिए डॉक्टर, PhD करे हो बंदा, फिर पोस्ट डॉक कर ले, बिकॉज उनकी रिसर्च है. See, I won't disrespect, that is also something very hard. Spending your 6 to 7 years on a degree and then पूरा day and night, बहुत लोग बहुत struggle करते हैं and I've seen that personally. But ठीक है यार, I feel कि I don't belong there maybe and I belong to this field and I love working in a professional environment and in a corporate environment. I always used to vouch for that in my graduation also.
Nice.
So I feel okay. That's how I
you
opted
convince
it.
your parents to opt MBA?
My parents are super cool. I never convince them for anything in life.
अच्छा.
I just call them कि
इतने पैसे भेज दो.
मुझे ये करना है. My father and mother like तुमको ठीक लग रहा है तो कर लो.
अच्छा.
तुम्हें करना है कर लो, तुम्हारी चॉइस है. We are there. For be it MBA, be it research, अगर मैं PhD भी बोलती, कुछ भी बोलती ना, तो they were like कि कर लो.
अभी भी you will say कि for PhD they like रही है ना?
They are not. My father and my mother are like, my both the parents are like government teachers in higher secondary. So they are very.
They know the worth of education and higher education basically, the importance.
See, after BTech when I opted for like I thought कि okay I'll work in the industry. My father was like, तुम्हारे दोनों पेरेंट्स मास्टर्स है, तुम ग्रेजुएशन करके तुम करने बैठ जाओ. माय फादर इज डबल मास्टर्स एंड
डबल मास्टर. व्हाट इज डबल मास्टर्स?
लाइक ही हैज डन ट्वाइस द मास्टर्स इन डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स.
क्यों करते हैं?
इट्स जस्ट कि यार एक उनको वो तो उन्होंने ऐसे ही कर दिया था. एक तो उनका था कि MA B.Ed था, फिर उनका कुछ एक सब्जेक्ट में उनका MSc मैथमेटिक्स इज आल्सो देयर सम. तो ही इज अ मैथ्स टीचर.
अभी भी करते हैं लोग. अभी भी करते हैं लोग डबल मास्टर्स.
Yeah, there is a friend of mine in Galgotias only that she has done BSc and MSc chemistry and then she is pursuing MBA.
Nice.
So people do that. Maybe शायद क्या होता है ना, जैसे किसी फील्ड में आपका कोर का नॉलेज हो गया. For me, for example, I've done BTech in biotechnology and I've done MBA. I have the analytical knowledge, technical knowledge, I can apply for the project matter expert position in the industry. There that are there. People don't know that. Even they are like, ये MBA करके यार कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. You can be at the managerial positions in those biotech companies. There is AstraZeneca. They want that. There is Biocon. There is Bharat Biotech. So I believe that even if you do MBA, na, that will be a plus one to your engineering degree. And if you have done like you have core BBA and BCom, that also helps. यार तुम तो फिर तो तुमने तो कुछ उसी फील्ड में थे. You have your thoughts clear. Okay, tick 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 tick. And if you want to change or explore, then you could always pursue an MBA.
How was your friends? फर्स्ट ईयर में कौन कौन बनाया, कैसे कैसे हुए?
यार अभी तो एज इन कोई इतना टच में नहीं है. So
बट मतलब हाउ वाज द कल्चर? कभी फ्रेंड्स के साथ बैठे, कहीं घूमने गए इंस्टेड ऑफ स्टडीइंग, व्हाट हैपेंड? या फिर कोर पढ़ाई एंड कोर?
no, I'm not that studious बच्चा. I used to be like that, but I'm not that, I would say. Well, like I have made a few friends, but eventually I guess dynamics change हो जाते हैं लोगों के with time. Like you get to know, and then okay, by like frequency match होती है, कभी कभी नहीं होती है.
Societies and all.
Yeah, I actually, you know what, after my first year, like by the end of second semester, sorry, I started applying in the clubs and got into the club coordinator and all in the council, and I used to love working there. As I told you, in my graduation also, we went to Chennai for a Smart India Hackathon, and we were the first runners-ups in the national level competition in the R category, me and my team. So I love to be part of clubs, council, and I loved working here at the council. Aditya Prakash भैया थे president. बहुत अच्छा उन्होंने कमांड था उनका. He is currently an HR in EY. So yeah, he also got placed from university only.
Great यार, great. So मतलब overall what you would like to say कि शिवांशी ने गलगोटिया से 9 LPA क्रॉस करा है MBA में. How that happened?
See, never restrict yourself to classrooms. I believe कि जो रियल आपका डेवलपमेंट है माइंड का, the real आपका exposure and that is not into the classroom. You will be restricted. I have participated in like one thing pair share for the Coca-Cola. Like see, they are inviting companies, Coca-Cola, Mahindra came, and if I'm not Sleepwell came. I participated in two of them. Like there was Coca-Cola is there, and there was Sleepwell, and I held a good position in that. Like first runner up, second runner up आए थे हम, and it was a very good experience. The think pair share thing, they have launched it very like, see what they do is they segregate. They first give us case study, segregate students in a group of 10 or 13, whatever is the strength. Then you have to answer a set of questions, and that will be evaluated on the spot, and then discussed. Then क्या किसका बेटर था, आंसर राइटिंग कैसे आप यू आर मेंशनिंग. सो इट विल डेवलप योर ब्रेन हाउ टू थिंक ऑन. और वो पूरे क्वेश्चंस वर इंडस्ट्रियल केस स्टडीज, रियल लाइफ केस स्टडीज. तो इट्स गुड दैट यू पार्टिसिपेट, एंड आई हैव लर्न फ्रॉम देयर अ लॉट. Participating in those competition, participate in debate competition. MBA is all about communication.
Yeah, I heard this from multiple graduates.
And this is true. अगर आप बोल नहीं सकते तो क्या कर लोगे यार? If you cannot express yourself, that doesn't make sense for me.
I really love expressive people. उनके साथ बात करने में अच्छा लगता है, मजा आता है. Otherwise it used to be a one-way communication. मैं ही बोलता रहता हूँ and
See, I respect जो थोड़ा सा introverts हैं, उनको प्रॉब्लम होती है, but you need to step out. आप इंट्रोवर्ट होके अगर आप सोचोगे कि हाँ चलो मैं MBA करूँगा, हो सकता है आप बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स वगैरह में कर जाओ, लेकिन इवन द डे यू विल एंटर द इंडस्ट्री ना, यू हैव टू मेक कनेक्शंस. एंड आई हैव सीन अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन KPMG ओनली, ही इज स्ट्रगलिंग बिकॉज आई बिलीव उसने कनेक्शंस नहीं बिल्ड करे. ही इज़ अ वेरी गुड एम्प्लॉय, हार्ड वर्किंग, बट कनेक्शन बिल्डिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आप सिर्फ स्किल लेके सर्वाइव नहीं कर सकते इंडस्ट्री में. तो कम्युनिकेशन तो सीखना पड़ेगा यार. अभी नहीं तो बाद में सीख ही जाओगे, नहीं तो कनेक्शन बिल्डिंग सीखना पड़ेगा.
तो KPMG में अभी तक का कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा और कितने महीने हो गए?
2 महीने हो गए हैं मुझे अभी. तो इट इज गोइंग गुड. आई एम लर्निंग अ लॉट एंड आई बिलीव एवरी डे इज अ गुड लर्निंग देयर. and
How's the environment over there
very
at
good.
MNC?
Yeah, very good, very good. I'm loving the professionalism that like sitting up with them, spending time, and building communication and building bonds and real life connections building. And I believe, yeah, it's very good out there. Big Four is for a reason, and I've seen that. कि नहीं यार, जब आप बोलते हो ना कि यार बिग फोर, तो आप वहाँ जाओ, आपको डिफरेंस समझ में आएगा.
I really believe that MNC's culture used to be very calm, professional, formal, है ना?
It's way too formal.
Yeah, but if any fresher or a candidate is going for a startup, for a middle-aged company, they must be getting that kind of toxicness and ज़्यादा pressure, I believe.
No. And for me, I didn't I never faced that. See, before joining here, I used to work at Annex Global and Sector 135, and I used to intern there. My journey in marketing started from there, and that was a very fostering environment. You should work in a startup culture because you get to learn a lot. So it's okay. Like I am in Big Four currently, working and interning there, and I believe कि ठीक है, वहाँ सीखने मिलता है, लेकिन वो आपको बैठा के ना ऐसे नहीं सिखाएंगे जीरो से कि you go to Excel and you should do this. That will be taught in a startup working environment, in a startup culture. So you should learn things from in a startup. You get to learn a lot. लेकिन ऐसे इसमें सीधा वो आपसे परफॉर्मेंस देखेंगे, कितना काम किया, थोड़ा बहुत जहाँ डाउट्स होंगे बता देंगे.
At MNC.
वो इतना नहीं टाइम स्पेंड करते यार आप पे, मतलब करेंगे, बट आप सोचो कि आपके बिल्कुल बगल में बैठ के बिल्कुल आपको गाइड किया जाएगा, तो देन यू आर लकी इनफ, आई बिलीव. हाँ, बट आई हैव अ आई वुड से कि फॉर मी एट KPMG द थिंग आई लव द मोस्ट, लाइक द मैनेजर्स आई वर्किंग विद, दे आर guiding me very personally. Because like in the morning we have meeting, by the end of the day we have a meeting कि ओके दिन भर में क्या हुआ, ये हुआ तो क्यों नहीं हुआ, like why not this, जो भी टारगेट्स असाइन होते हैं, जो भी मतलब टास्क असाइन होता है, तो there is discussion, healthy discussion, and sometimes okay you get scolded for not working up to that, but they understand that if you are serious about your work, if they are seeing your intention, you want to learn, they'll help you, they'll guide you. But अगर उनको लग रहा है ना कि आप नहीं काम कर रहे हो और आप बस ऐसे ही हो, तो फिर they will not even take time to
fire you. So how's your parents, like, are they proud of you?
Yeah, my father, like they are very very happy, and my mama, he's very close to me. Yeah, like मेरे छोटे मामा मेरे बहुत ज़्यादा क्लोज रहे हैं बचपन से, एंड उनका भी लाइक उन्होंने सिविल इंजीनियरिंग करी थी, फिर उन्होंने छोड़ दिया, नाउ ही हैज़ हिज ओन बिजनेस एंड ऑल. सो या ही इज़ वेरी प्राउड ऑफ मी एंड ही इज़ इन टच विद मी ऑन एंड ऑफ. वो आते हैं तो उनसे मेरा मस्त दोस्ती वाला बॉन्डिंग है. आई हैव अ सिबलिंग आल्सो.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
And what, he or she?
He is like 1.5 year younger to me, Suryansh. So he is currently pursuing his MBA from Nikmar Pune,
Okay.
and he also had done his BTech from VIT Vellore in civil engineering.
Nice.
So we both are like engineers and pursuing MBA. So yeah, let's see किधर है, उसका भी अच्छा चल रहा है.
क्या एडवाइसेस देना चाहोगे आप for your upcoming batch, for your current batch student also?
See, there are opportunities. अगर तुम थोड़ा भी फोकस करोगे ना, you will get it. I believe कि कुछ भी मुझे लगता है अपॉर्चुनिटीज की कमी नहीं है. if you want to grab them, if you want to skill up, there are opportunities. if you want to explore, there are opportunities. if you want to get into a good company, there are opportunities, and with the good packages, yaar. I'm not saying not for me. I remember in the very first sem there was 15 days passed. I was shortlisted in BNY Mellon for 10 LPA. Got clear 2 rounds, but not from finance background, so got rejected. But there are 3 students who got selected in that. Maybe our seniors, if I'm not wrong. But yeah, they are working in that. BNY Mellon is a very good, renowned bank around the globe, and they are offering very good package. मैं 15 दिन हुए थे यार मेरे को आए, इससे ज़्यादा क्या opportunities आपको मिलेंगी.
Right.
So if you have that ना कि यार मेरे को खुद, अब देखो आप ऐसे नहीं हो सकते यार, मैं कॉलेज आई, जो टीचर पढ़ा रहा है, ओके हाँ टीचर ने कह दिया पब्लिक स्पीकिंग करनी है, and you are forced to go and speak in front of the class. उसमें भी you are not performing. There are presentations every week, but you are not willing to perform. You are making it from the AI. No one can help you with that. But there are students. मैं हमेशा अपना canvas डिजाइन करती हूँ, खुद ही डिजाइन करती हूँ. There is a group, but I always prefer making the presentation for my own good. So you take the charge, no? There,
मैं समझ रहा हूँ.
if you are not like working on yourself, you do not want things for yourself, no one can help you. They can only, university can only provide you the environment and the opportunities and the faculty. उसके बाद अब आपको कोई लाके ऐसे नहीं कहेगा लो बेटा नौकरी लो.
Exactly. Getting
See, that's what I have felt and believed, and that's why I feel कि कुछ I have like कुछ तो मिल गया है ठीक ठाक, अच्छा मिल गया है उससे कि कर लूंगी. Like even in this is 9 LPA, but there is some hidden fact as well. It's basically, I'll disclose it. It's 8.25 fixed plus 0.75 variable. Apart from that, there are incentives. I'll be working in the petroleum industry along with like BP is British Petroleum. Analyze जो तो मुकेश जी का ही है, अंबानी जी का. So they are expanding अभी. They are petrol pumps, gas stations and all. So there are incentives. 70-75 in hand में 30-35 हज़ार रुपये इंसेंटिव निकालना कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं पेट्रोल जैसी कमोडिटी में. So बहुत प्यार से 1 लाख रुपए पर मंथ आएगा. Even if I work on like average, अगर थोड़ा सा पुश करती हूँ तो maybe see there is a bit field work as well. I need to visit and check for the like project matter experts and what are the growth of having communication with the partners and deals crack karne, because obviously I mean marketing and majorly is operation, but marketing goes hand in hand with everything. So yeah, I believe I'll be able to make good amount of money for myself.
All the very best, Shivanshi.
Thank you यार.
Thank you so much for coming here. बहुत सारी insights
Thank you so much for inviting me, Ara. And it was a very good experience.
Likewise.
And I also believe that you can get a very good placement from here. As if like I've also observed something. Yeah, you are in. May I ask?
हाँ, college itself.
B.Tech?
Yeah, B.Tech.
It's very good college for B.Tech यार. B.Tech CSE है आपका. You can get very good placements. Plus the environment is actually nice and the opportunities. You are in which year? I forgot to ask.
मेरा हो गया.
4th year.
हाँ मतलब मेरा हो गया.
So you got placed ना?
मतलब हाँ मतलब actually I chose this as my career आगे जाकर.
Nice. I told you engineering करने के बाद people decide what to do in life and you were questioning me.
नहीं definitely I just felt it very relatable when you mentioned that.
See, engineers की vibe I know.
Perfect. Great talking to you, Shivanshi.
Okay, it was like, thank you.
Thank you so much.